Where is the best place to add this sentence? The 76-year-old toy company previously committed to using 100% recycled, recyclable, or bio-based plastic materials across all of its products and packaging by 2030. When looking for the best location to place a new sentence, we need to take into account not only which sentence precedes it, but also which sentence follows it, and see which choice gives us the most cohesive narrative. The given sentence provides background information about Mattel's overall sustainability goals, so it should fit in a place that discusses the company's environmental efforts. With this in mind, let's try plugging our given sentence into our choices and see how they sound. A. Following sentence 2. The Barbie Loves the Ocean collection, which has a summer theme, comes with 3 dolls, a beach shack playset, and a starter assortment playset. Since sentence 2 is focused on product details, it wouldn't be the best place to add broader information about the company's commitment to sustainability. This can be marked as incorrect. B. Following sentence 5. To truly show the next generation they can be anything, we must do our part in protecting the planet, reducing our environmental impact, and promoting sustainable everyday behaviors, she added. While this sentence does mention Mattel's environmental mission, it's more about the inspiration behind their current efforts rather than the company's long-term sustainability goals. Adding the sentence here would technically fit, but it's not a totally seamless flow. We'll keep this in mind as we check out the other choices. C. Following sentence 8. The new Barbie line and Barbie education initiatives are Mattel's latest move in reaching its sustainability goals. This sentence directly references the company's ongoing efforts in sustainability, which makes it a perfect place to add more information about their broader goals. In addition, we can see that while our given sentence discusses a past sustainability project, the following sentence introduces a current one, Mattel Playback, introduced in May. So our given sentence would be the perfect introduction to this topic. This is likely our answer, but we'll take a look at choice D just to be sure. D. Following sentence 10. The program kicked off with Barbie and 2 other Mattel brands, Matchbox and Mega Toys, and brands will be added to the program going forward. This sentence discusses a specific program, so inserting a sentence about the company's long-term sustainability goals here would feel somewhat disconnected. Based on this, we can mark this choice as incorrect, and we can mark choice C as our final answer.